Here's a quick video of what the inside of the portal looks like because I know you're going to want to see it and I know you're going to love it. I made a mistake last night in the workshop saying that you couldn't do Instagram Direct. You actually can. They have a new thing. So you pick your two favorite profiles. In this case, I picked Facebook and my Instagram Direct profile. So you can see I have that for the posts to go to. And up top, you see there's a calendar, content, and analytics. So they keep it pretty simple, which I kind of love. So if I go to my calendar, you'll see that just my Instagram is collected, and at top I'm in upcoming events. And so what the system does, it'll actually have idea events for you for that day. So, today is Thursday, and TV food day. They have posts already built in for every day of the year. So one of my posting formulas I said to you is to be kind of entertaining, to say things that are interesting. And so you can look ahead, weeks ahead, and even see what kind of posts and even schedule from that. So they're always giving you post ideas. Obviously, yeah, there it is. So the Emmy Awards, National Pepperoni Pizza Day. I mean, they're just always keeping it interesting. But otherwise, we're going to go to my content. It just went into the upcoming events. Obviously, I don't have any content listed for, I'm going to go to my Facebook here because I showed you an example of how content will look for the week. So in your My Content, you'll see the posts that I'd already approved here, and then you'll see that I have posts to approve that she put in there. So I just need to hit approve, and away we go. And when you start on Monday, I should say at the beginning of every month, you're going to have your 12 posts. You just need to fast forward to in both of the profiles that you pick. So all you need to do is hit approve. But you can also go in there to the post and you can edit every bit of it. So you could say, I just want to edit it. You just hit edit. And this is just dummy content we put in. Her posts are better. But I could change some of this text up here. She's adding hashtags. I can go straight into this editor. They actually have a Canva-like editor. It is amazing. I can go in and within it, they'll even give you like Canva template ideas. Look at that. It doesn't stop. I can just keep scrolling. But it also, if I want to change the background, you see that? I can click on backgrounds and it's actually connected to almost every stock photo. For instance, if I put in bedroom, I just want to see maybe a bedroom. That's how I recharge in my bedroom. And I'm just going to put an example, vignette in there. So the search feature will search for every kind of free stock photo of a bedroom in there and then some. So you just kind of take a photo that you like and then you can just kind of push it in. I have another video on how to edit, but you'll see there's objects that you can add of all kind of cases. It's very similar to Canva. There's text. They have text ideas that you can add, and then you can save whatever ideas you have, and of course upload your own photos, even better. Oops, I added text. All I need to do is delete that. You can see it's that easy, and you can go to upload anything you want. So it's that easy. And the whole point is that it should be easy for you. Who has time to do all this? Now, you're going to do your own posting of the homes you stage or design. That's all good. Keep with some of that. This is going to, these additional credibility posts, inspirational posts, connecting posts, entertaining posts. It's going to add texture and depth to your social feed. It's also going to free you up because what would it take you to have created and thought through those 12 posts a month? It's a lot, guys. So that's the beauty of it. But here's the other thing I love is within the system, it actually has post ideas for our industry. So what we have kind of pre-populated in there for you. So you look up the home and interior industry and they'll always have tons of different, if you look at all recommended for you, lots of different posts in here about design, and they're just giving you ideas. And again, you can swap out all the photos, all the background photos. You can talk about trends. It doesn't stop. And that's the thing I love. Home decisions. Oh, women make 85% of home renovation decisions. So it's just interesting things like that. And it just we'll turn that into a better post that asks a question. So you can see this is built for the home and design industry. I can just keep scrolling, you guys. There's so many other good ideas in here, and we take them. It also doesn't stop there. It actually has the real estate industry. So I know for stagers, we want to post on both, right? So show the space, curb appeal, buyers' preferences, statistics, the typical agent, let's get moving. And again, tricks of the trade. And it doesn't stop. Fun facts. Uh, it'll list even the NAR statistics. How is your home ready? There it doesn't stop. So there's no shortage of content ideas from home design, real estate. I told you how it covers every event from what happened that year before. They even have Instagram stories you can create and download, and you can even add, I think, to your Instagram direct yourself. The 12 posts will not be Instagram story like. Just want you to know that they're going to be Facebook size and Facebook kind of LinkedIn and Instagram size. They even have animated posts. That's just to give you some ideas, and you can just change them up. They have articles that you can search through, and you can search for articles that have to do with home so that you can put in recent news, decorating mistakes, uh, looking for an affordable house. It has also articles for real estate, and they even have quote posts built in. All of these can be edited by the click of the button in their Canva-like editor. If I hit more, you can see there's even more. They even have Pinterest, Facebook covers. There's a lot to it. So it's kind of an awesome technology. Finally, in the analytics, and this is the part that's really fun, if you go to the statistics, it'll pull up the statistics for every post that you did. So for me, it even has all my prior kind of home staging posts in here. And I can scroll to see really on the right the efficiency level, and that's just telling me the level of interest in that post. It just takes the sum of all the interest and it scores it. So this alone is worth it for you guys, because you can scroll down and be like, whoa, this was a good post I did and I love it. And only 6% of the people actually see your post, so why not hit repost on this little post? A lot of you are frustrated because you're like, how do I post even once a day, much less twice a day? Well, this is how you do it. You can actually go to repost and go to schedule, and I can just schedule it on a day further out to post again. Or I could make it repeatable. Very few technology has this repeatable. Your promotions, whatever you're giving away to your clients, maybe you're trying to promote over the holidays your holiday design services. Create a gorgeous post and repeat it every week until the end of December. And then you just put it on autopilot. Create 5 posts like that. Put them on autopilot and you don't even have to think about it. That's how cool it is. You can go daily or weekly and that repeatable. You can even pick what day you want, and then you can even say when it ends or just keep it going. And then it's done for you. So this is how you easily fill your calendar up with really cool things. We're already doing it for you. You're going to get those 12 posts along with this great technology. But how cool is this? Okay, you're going to love this. There's, like I said, so much to it. Oh, you can also invite team members if you want a team member in there to do the work for you from my staging teams. And you can take ideas. Let's say you go to the post ideas that you really liked. I'm going to get out of here. And you can say, wow, I really like this post about the mortgage rates, just to remind people of how cool it is. You can just save it to my ideas. I'm going to edit it later, and it'll go to your ideas by just clicking that button. So you even have your own kind of area, your library. So you have all of this right now for very little cost. So explore it, think about it, watch my marketing workshop, and just good luck. I look forward to working with you.